What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Asus laptops that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus Zenbook 14 Flip OLED is a sleek and lightweight convertible laptop designed for versatility and high performance. Weighing 6.5 pounds, it features a 14-inch OLED touchscreen display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 2.8K resolution, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp detail. Powered by the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1360p processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, this laptop ensures smooth multitasking and seamless graphics performance. It comes with 16GB of RAM and a spacious 1TB SSD, providing ample storage and memory for your computing needs. The Zenbook 14 Flip OLED offers a range of features to enhance productivity and entertainment, including a Harman Kardon certified stereo sound system with Dolby Atmos, AI noise-canceling technology, and an Asus AI Sense camera. The ErgoLift hinge allows for easy switching between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, while the Asus ErgoSense keyboard ensures comfortable typing. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 17 hours and fast charging support via USB-C power delivery certified chargers, you can stay productive on the go. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, USB-A, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. Overall, the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip OLED combines performance, portability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for professionals and creatives who demand power and flexibility in their computing devices. The Asus Tuf F15, equipped with an Intel Core i5 11th Gen processor and a dedicated 4GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card, stands out as a formidable gaming laptop. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display boasts a fast 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth gameplay with anti-glare technology for enhanced visual clarity. Windows 11 Home powers the system, offering a modern computing experience. Built to withstand the rigors of gaming, the laptop features a robust design certified by the US military for durability. It supports RAM upgrades up to 32GB, providing flexibility for future performance enhancements. The RGB backlit chiclet keyboard not only adds flair but also enhances usability in dimly lit environments. Additionally, the laptop incorporates efficient cooling mechanisms with air intake and exhaust vents, allowing for extended gaming sessions without overheating. In terms of performance, the Asus Tuf F15 delivers impressive results, achieving around 90 frames per second in demanding titles like GTA 5. Its 512GB PCIe 3 NVMe M.2 SSD offers ample storage space, with an additional M.2 slot for SSD expansion. Weighing approximately 5 pounds, this laptop strikes a balance between portability and performance. Its 48 Wh battery provides up to 6 hours of usage, ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions on the go. Connectivity options include Thunderbolt 4 support, RJ45 LAN port, DisplayPort, and multiple USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, catering to various peripheral devices. With features like HD audio, a backlit keyboard, and anti-glare coating, the Asus Tuf F15 i5 11th Gen RTX 2050 offers a compelling gaming experience for enthusiasts. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 17 is a powerhouse designed to deliver top-tier gaming performance. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor with 16 cores and 32 threads, and equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, this laptop ensures smooth gameplay even for the most demanding titles. The highlight of the laptop is its 17.3-inch QHD display with a refresh rate of 240Hz, providing a vibrant and immersive gaming experience. Additionally, it features Dolby Vision HDR and Adaptive Sync for crystal-clear visuals. In terms of design, the Scar 17 boasts a sleek aluminum chassis with customizable RGB lighting on the keyboard and bottom of the chassis, making it stand out in the world of gaming laptops. It weighs 6.6 pounds, making it relatively portable for its class. Connectivity options are abundant, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, a 2.5G Ethernet port, multiple USB ports, an HDMI port, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. The laptop features advanced cooling solutions, including liquid metal on both the CPU and GPU, and a vapor chamber, ensuring better sustained performance during long gaming sessions. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD, multitasking is swift, and loading times are minimal. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix G17 offers a premium gaming experience for enthusiasts seeking top-notch performance in a gaming laptop, with its powerful hardware, stunning display, and robust design. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 with RTX 4060 is a powerhouse gaming laptop designed to deliver exceptional performance and immersive gaming experiences. Boasting a 16-inch Full HD 165Hz IPS display, it offers smooth and responsive visuals, complemented by ROG intelligent cooling for efficient heat management. Powered by the Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor with 10 cores and 12 threads, this laptop excels in gaming and multitasking, providing impressive processing power. The inclusion of a backlit keyboard enhances both functionality and aesthetics, allowing for comfortable typing even in low-light environments. With the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card featuring 8GB GDDR6 memory and ROG boost at 100W, the laptop delivers exceptional gaming performance with support for ray tracing and realistic visuals. Storage and memory capabilities are ample, with up to 48GB of RAM for smooth multitasking and up to 2TB of SSD storage for storing large files and games. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, USB Type-A and C ports, HDMI, and a media card reader, ensuring seamless connectivity with various devices and peripherals. Overall, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 with RTX 4060 is a top-tier gaming laptop that offers unmatched performance, stunning visuals, and robust connectivity options, making it an ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts and content creators alike. The Asus Vivobook 15 i7 12th Gen is a dynamic computing solution tailored for both academic and professional endeavors. Boasting an Intel Core i7 12th Gen processor and 16GB of DDR4 RAM, this laptop offers potent performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, software development, and multitasking. Storage-wise, it features a 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD, ensuring rapid boot times and efficient data retrieval. Its sleek design and thin profile, while the backlit chiclet keyboard enhances both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Connectivity options abound, with USB ports, HDMI, audio jack, and Wi-Fi 6 ensuring seamless connectivity. While the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics may not cater to gaming enthusiasts, they suffice for most users, including students, creatives, and business professionals. The laptop's 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 60Hz refresh rate offers a vibrant viewing experience, ideal for multimedia consumption and productivity tasks. Preloaded with Windows 11 Home, it delivers a modern computing environment with advanced features and security enhancements. With a 720p HD camera featuring a privacy shutter, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, Sonic Master Audio, and Cortana support, the Asus Vivobook 15 i7 12th generation provides a comprehensive computing experience. Its 42Wh battery ensures up to 6 hours of usage, offering mobility without compromising productivity. In summary, the Asus Vivobook 15 i7 12th Gen combines robust performance, stylish design, and versatile features, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable and capable computing companion.